A new Dell EMC ScaleIO Ready Node software-defined storage solution helped this customer service manager improve service and support for the electric utility where she works. They had considered an HPE solution with 3-par storage, but the Dell EMC solution supports better application performance, scales better to meet changing demand, saves space in the data center, and protects applications from failures while mitigating downtime. In our data center at Principled Technologies, a Dell EMC ScaleIO Ready Node solution processes more database actions than a comparable HPE offering. This can help the electric utility quickly make changes to customer information. When we doubled compute and storage resources, the Dell EMC solution took advantage of the expanded infrastructure to support double the number of VMs. So, if the company acquires a smaller competitor, the Dell EMC solution can continue to deliver high performance as it scales to meet the increase in workload. The Dell EMC solution also delivered faster response times than the competition, which can help customers save time. The Dell EMC solution occupied less rack space than the competition. This helps save space for future data center expansion. And the company can feel confident in the ScaleIO Ready Node solution's fault tolerance capabilities. In 4 scenarios simulating hardware failures, the Dell EMC solution protected data while maintaining application performance. The competition could not do the same in all 4. If your organization needs strong database application performance, scalability, and fault tolerance in a space-efficient package, choose the Dell EMC ScaleIO Ready Node solution over an HPE solution with 3-par storage.